How to send money from Wise to Revolut. Transfer cash. First, open up your Wise app and tap on the account you want to send money from. I'm going to use my USD balance for this. Once you're in, just hit that send button right here and then tap on Add a recipient. Now, you just need to select the currency of your Revolut account. I'm choosing Euro for mine. On the next screen, go ahead and tap on Bank Details, and since we're moving it to our own account, just select Myself. This is where we need to plug in our account info. Because we chose Euros, it's asking for the account holder name and the IBAN number. To grab those details, let's minimize Wise for a second and open up Revolut. In your Revolut app, just tap on Details right here and make sure you select your Euro pocket. This screen has everything we need. Just copy your beneficiary name and that long IBAN number. Once you've got them copied, jump back over to the Wise app, paste them right into these boxes, and hit Continue. All that's left to do now is type in how much you want to send. Let's just do $50 for this example. Tap Continue, review the final numbers, and confirm the transfer. Your money will start moving from Wise to Revolut straight away. If this quick walkthrough helped you out, do me a massive favor. Drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.